Welcome back, guys, to another video. In this video, we're going to be going over how Forex works. This is going to be more of a beginner video, so if you already know about Forex, you can kind of move on to the next video. But what I want to go over are the basics in the Forex market and overall how it works. For all of you that do not know what Forex is basically short for foreign exchange. This is one of the world's largest financial markets. Now, it is kind of like the stock market where we buy and sell into different companies, but instead of buying and selling into companies, what we are buying and selling into are different currencies. So I'm going to show you something. Right now, I'm actually in a trade right now on USD/JPY. I am down $108. I'm going to show you the chart though. You guys can see that red line at the bottom, that's my stop loss, and the green line up there, that's my take profit. So the market is currently in a downtrend, but what I'm waiting for is the market to come right here, come to this zone, and then bounce up here. And if it goes up there, yeah, I'm down $108. I have around $5,000 in this account. That's 100% fine. What's going to happen after that is the trade is going to shoot up, and I'm going to make around $1,000 just off that trade right there. So what we're basically doing when we're buying and selling into these currencies is we're betting the value of one currency versus the other. So let me bring this back up for you guys. So I'm in this trade on USD/JPY, and I'm buying that pair, meaning that I want the value of the US dollar to be greater than the Japanese yen. So when we're trading, there's basically two types of trading. There's fundamental trading and technical trading. So fundamental trading is following news and politics. So when Donald Trump came into office and actually spoke when he was coming into presidency, that affected the value of the US dollar dramatically. And the price of the US dollar actually went up. So that's the first type of trading. And then the second type of trading is technical trading. Finding the support, finding the resistance, finding the trend in the market, whether it's in an uptrend or it's in a downtrend, and using other technical factors like indicators to help you figure out whether it's going to be a buy or sell market. And obviously it's going to take time throughout your learning phase to actually understand everything that I'm telling you, but that's fine. If you guys would like to properly learn, I have courses, I have educational teachings, I do one-on-one mentorships. Reach out to me below. My Instagram link is below, so we can talk more about that if you guys are interested. But basically, the Forex market is one of the world's largest financial markets. Every day, $5.3 trillion are traded daily within this market. So that's a ton of money, not for me just to make, but for you to make as well. With that, you can trade Forex 5 days a week. It's open 24 hours a day. And unlike the stock market and other financial markets, there are opportunities in this market every single minute. So when we're trading, there's also things called sessions. So during the morning, we have New York session from 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. And then at night, we have the London session from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. That is the PST time zone. So you kind of need to correlate to your time zone what time it actually would be. But there are specific times in the market when it fluctuates more than other times. With that, the cool thing about Forex is you can trade anywhere in the world, all off your phone, as long as you have an internet connection. And we actually trade through online brokers. So instead of you having to go to a physical office, you giving them your money and other people trading it, you can actually trade all off this device right here, anywhere in the world. Like I said, if you have an internet connection, and most brokers, they only require a minimum of $10. I actually recently did a video about like 7 videos back on how to open up a trading account and what broker that you guys can use. So if you are on the beginner side, guys, make sure you check out that video. And if you have any questions, I do have other videos that I can send you throughout Instagram. I can send you a message on what videos you should be looking into that I've created, or you can just go through my channel. I have a ton of informational videos within the Forex market. So if you are like a beginner, you don't have that much money to invest into education, on the one-on-one mentorships for myself, I would definitely recommend my YouTube, guys. There's a ton of value on there. But the thing with the Forex market is there is a ton of risk. If you do not know what you are doing, you are just going to be risking your capital. I absolutely promise you, you are going to fail time after time after time if you don't have a mentor. I tried to do this on my own when I first started, and I failed. I lost so much money, and I got very emotional. And they say the Forex market is 90% psychological, meaning that it's all in your head, and 10% technical. So a lot of the time, if you fail within an industry like this, you're going to get emotional. You're going to think that this doesn't work, it's a scam, whatever it may be, and that's simply because you didn't get the proper guidance. So like I said, guys, if you do want to learn from somebody who has been in this market for over 5 years, send me a message. I will help you guys get started. And if you guys have any questions, concerns for me, comment them below. And if you guys have not already subscribed, I would appreciate if you could. There should be a button below where you can subscribe. And guys, I will see you on the next video.